that goes into effect. It's actually going to be from 3 o'clock in the morning tomorrow until 9 o'clock in the morning. And then on Thursday, we're going to start things at Wednesday night at midnight, and that goes until 6 o'clock Thursday morning. The next round, Friday, at 6 o'clock in the morning, and that goes until noon. We will see rain and storms outside of these times, but this is when we think we have the highest threat of seeing any severe weather. The impact from these storms will be up to golf ball size hail, wind gusts of 60 miles an hour, and the tornado threat, it's not zero, but it is going to be in the low category. So just make sure that you stay updated with the latest forecast, have a way to receive those warnings, and download the WFA app for any alerts so you can get them as soon as possible. In the meantime, this is our Fair Park camera. What you've noticed today when you walk outside is the moisture that's in the atmosphere. Dew points are in the 60s. There's a lot of cloud cover, but temperatures are still warm, 81 degrees. It's windy. The wind's out of the south with gusts to near 30 miles an hour. It feels more like spring. This is very spring-like atmosphere. We've got lots of clouds streaming in on satellite and radar, a few breaks here and there, but we are expecting the rain and storms to hold off for this evening. It's going to be holding off until very early tomorrow morning. So this is going to be 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, and it looks like we finally have at least a couple of isolated showers and storms pop up, but that line will start to strengthen the farther along that we go. So that's going to be from Bonham down to McKinney and also potentially towards Dallas. Those storms will be strong to severe, eventually making their way into our eastern counties by noon. So we look fairly quiet in the afternoon, but we can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm later in the day. This is going to be 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, and most of everyone looks pretty quiet. But by the time we get into Thursday morning, now we've got another round of showers and storms, primarily north of I-20, closer to the Red River, but some of those storms will be strong to severe. This is going to be Thursday at noon, and we could still have some showers lingering around parts of North Texas, but the worst of it being our far eastern counties. So Thursday evening looks pretty quiet. By the time we get into Thursday night into Friday morning, here comes the third round of showers and storms, possibly strong to severe, stopping the clock later Friday evening, and we still have rain and storms that are ongoing. I think the severe threat will be a lot lower during that time, but we're still going to see rain all the way through Saturday morning. I think Saturday afternoon looks dry. We're going to have some clouds around, but by then we could even see a little bit of flooding with all the rain coming in Friday night to Saturday morning. So for overnight and into tomorrow morning, the slight risk is just west of Dallas and covers all of our western counties for up to golf ball size hail, wind gusts of 60, and the low tornado threat. But by the time we get to Thursday morning, all of North Texas now in that enhanced category. For on a scale of 1 to 5, we're going to be right in the middle, so on a 3. So this is going to be a little bit more potent of a storm. By the time we get into Friday morning, now most of all of Dallas and Fort Worth and areas to the east are going to be under that slight risk for seeing golf ball size hail, wind gusts of 60 miles an hour, and there will still be that low tornado threat. By the time we get to midnight Friday night to 9 o'clock Saturday morning, we're still going to have a slight risk for seeing quarter-size hail, wind gusts to maybe 60 miles an hour, but flooding, I think, could be the bigger issue during that time. We could see anywhere from 2 to 3 inches across the Metroplex, but the farther north and east you go, we could see isolated rain totals over 5 inches. So flooding will be a possibility. Tonight, though, temperatures drop down into the upper 60s, low 70s tomorrow afternoon, working in maybe a little bit of sunshine. I think we still make it into the low to mid 80s across DFW. But tonight, eventually by tomorrow morning, we're going to have that 40% coverage of rain and storms, possibly severe. And then tomorrow afternoon, the coverage of storms will be a lot lower. So temperatures should still be able to make it into the mid 80s. So our WFA weather alert days, it goes all the way to Friday, but still Saturday morning, rain and storms will be likely. Saturday afternoon, we're dry, cooler, mid-60s, but on Sunday, we're looking at upper 50s for highs. We look dry, but it's also going to be breezy, so that's going to be a very cool day. It doesn't stay that cool for long. By Monday, we're back in the mid-60s, and then looking at the second half of that 14-day, it looks sunny, it looks nice, it looks quiet, it looks warm. So we just have to get past this week. Guys, back to you.